welcome to Biz News. I'm Elizabeth Lee, together with Tony Lopez.
Good evening.
Tonight we have for our guest our good friend, Chit Juan, who is a social entrepreneur, green advocate, and dami pa.
She's going to be a serial entrepreneur.
And,
Ayun. At
Serial
least
entrepreneur.
serial.
and supporter also of women entrepreneurs.
Thank you.
Thanks for being on our show, Chit.
Thank you,
What
Beth,
has been
Tony.
keeping you busy?
A lot, actually.
A lot. Pick one.
First, let's talk about what kept her busy. Figaro, no? You built
yeah,
it into one of the most viable coffee shop chains.
Yeah,
no?
until 5 years ago.
Until 5 years ago.
Yes, and then I moved on to Echo Store,
Yeah, I was down, yeah.
which is a social enterprise.
Yeah.
And coupled with that, the Women's Business Council.
Yeah,
Coupled with that, the Philippine Coffee Board.
yeah.
And belatedly, lately, the Women Corporate Directors, Philippine Chapter, and the International Women's Coffee Alliance Philippine Chapter.
Yeah.
Yan. So it's not much.
And the current ones are what?
Well, the current one is wellness.
Wellness, yeah.
But I think our business, the social enterprise called Echo Store, actually embodies everything, all the advocacies we have.
Yeah.
And you can call it, an advocacy, but it's also
Also,
a
Eco
social
Store, hindi naman yung garbage recycling.
It's gone beyond that eh.
Ganon.
Noon, when the cities were not yet giving their ordinances about no plastic,
Yeah.
we were the first ones to sell recycled bags, reusable bags.
Yeah.
But now it's everyone, mainstream na eh.
Yeah.
Diba? And then we've gone on to promote things like Banabati, Malunggay, Guyabano,
Yeah.
which is
Sourced locally.
sourced locally.
Yeah, yeah.
Yun, I think that's been our poste,
Yes.
to source as much as possible.
Yeah.
We're about 99% local. I would say we use siguro kasi we also have vegan items or vegetarian,
Yeah.
and some of them are still imported.
Does that mean it makes your products more costly or less costly?
It doesn't follow, no?
To source locally,
Source locally, do organic.
I wouldn't say costly, but I would say fresher.
Yeah, fresh.
Because you source it almost from your backyard.
Yeah.
Diba? Because like our herbs are from Palawan, our cacao is from Bohol, our coffee, of course, from Benguet to Sulu.
Genuineness also, di ba?
Yes.
You know where it came from.
The traceability, which is now buzzword,
Yeah.
diba? Sustainability,
Yeah.
Kailangan
traceability.
Yes.
Because a lot of
Sa
farmers,
US, you have to certify kung saan ang galing. ano?
Yes. And
even
even-
the laborers who work on it, no?
and the face of the farmer.
Yeah.
And that's a trend now. I think it's a growing trend, not only in the Philippines, ASEAN, and globally. Yung tinatawag nilang low calorism or eating things from within 200 kilometers from your place where
To
you eat.
To
improve
lower your carbon
to-
footprint.
yeah,
Yes.
To lower your
carbon
carbon
footprint.
footprint. Yeah.
But for some people, you have to give it to them in small sips. Like, you eat local, you support the local farmer. Pero actually, ang pupuntahan nun is less carbon footprint.
Yeah.
But if you tell the people, please eat this lettuce so you will lessen the carbon, hindi pa nila makonect.
Di niya get, no?
So, konti-konti, unti-unti. So, slowly, people are, oh yeah, nga no, they're getting it. But the important thing is taste, yung flavor, because people will not buy if it doesn't taste good.
Yeah.
Even if it helps the whole world, but if it doesn't taste good,
Right.
they won't.
Yeah.
Kamukha ng blunt yogurt, no? So you have to put some flavorings, no?
Which one? The
Yogurt.
yogurt,
Oo,
yeah.
Diba? Pakla ng yogurt, eh. Pero
But-
pag nilagyan mo strawberry,
Yes.
okay, diba?
And now, there are a lot of health challenges or issues like you've heard, I'm sure, gluten-free.
Yes.
Diba? Actually, sa atin, ano lang yun puto. Ano yun?
Eh, yung
Pero-
wheatgrass, Chit. What is that?
Wheatgrass.
What's that in common?
There's this green revolution, even in drinking and eating, that everything green
Yeah.
is good for you.
Yeah.
So wheatgrass is one of the most popular. Parang, you can grow it kasi. You can grow it like a
Ano ba sa
sprout.
Tagalog ang wheatgrass?
Nako, that's a challenge, ha? I would rather, kasi in Tagalog, like Jimmy Galveston will say, our colleague in the Wellness Council, is just eat talbos ng kamote, talbos
Malunggay.
ng sayote, malunggay, sili, you know. Those things,
Ayos ka na.
okay na eh. You don't really, I mean, if you don't like wheatgrass, kasi it's also a matter of taste. Like, I love talbos ng kamote.
Talbos ng kamote, pinapagpag lang yan, no?
Yeah.
Oo, hugasan mo. Lagyan mo ng konting, steam mo ng konti, no? Sarap.
And you're sure it's organic.
Yeah.
Why?
Oo.
Because people don't have to grow it a lot eh. Kasi tumatalbos siya parati, di ba? So it's always fresh.
It's a vine, no? It's a vine, no?
Well, yes, it is a vine. And then you have the saluyot.
Ayan, saluyot. Sarap din yan.
All these talbos-talbos.
Pinapagpag din yan.
Oh.
Pero
Pero
may
pag,
pampalapot siyang sarap.
pag mas mahal, ang tawag na dyan, microgreens.
Ganun.
They're the
Marketing.
small sprouts,
Yeah.
like small microgreens nga tawag. They sprout.
Yeah.
It can be bean sprouts. It can be little greens na alfalfa,
Yeah,
ganon.
alfalfa.
Yung mga you can grow in your kitchen windowsill. Ka nga, no? So now, a lot of people are in condos. They want a little herb garden, ganon. Si Kiko Pangilinan nga was growing his lettuce in a paso this big.
Ano, lettuce?
Yeah, you can.
I thought
Because
you
Kiko
needed
is a
at
farmer now eh.
I thought you needed at least a square meter to grow this.
Well, you
weeds.
can.
You can.
But if you want to give it to a friend and they want to get fresh lettuce, like in our little farm, yeah, I have a little farm, not in Africa, in Amadeo. Because it's natural and organic, you can actually eat it off the soil.
Yeah, oo.
Pagpag mo
Nice.
lang, like you
Yun,
said.
napagpag nga
And eat
talaga,
it,
oo.
no? So when we take people there, sige, you pick it and eat it.
That's
sarap.
wonderful.
Yeah. So it's the freshest you can get.
Lagyan mo
Yeah.
ng peanut para magkalasa. Sarap.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to continue this discussion. We'll be right back and watching this case.
Your immediate advocacy now is wellness. What exactly is wellness? Does
Well-
it mean well-being? No.
Wellness and well-being, yes. Kasi wellness actually starts with the heart.
Yeah,
Na,
yeah,
yan.
yeah.
Di ba there are a lot of neurons in the heart?
Yeah.
Women have more neurons in the heart. Starts from your emotional health,
Yeah.
your mental health, which is very important, your spiritual health.
Yeah.
And if all the three are okay, your physical will exude it. Eh. So there are people who take all these supplements pero mukha silang sad. Di ba? You can feel their energy.
I see some people, 40 tablets in one blow, ha?
Yeah, and
Eh,
yet they
puro
look...
plastic yun, eh.
And
Kasi pinambalot dun sa mga pulbos, plastic, eh.
that's parang a glycerin
Oo, di ba?
capsule, no? Oo nga, glycerin. I think it's the totality. So they say that the wellness is really yung integral. no?
Integral.
Oo, hindi pwedeng, I'm well naman, I take
So, wellness
vitamins.
yung state of mind. Kung happy ka, ganyan,
Happy
you
ka.
feel good.
Because you could be running
Yeah.
10K a day,
Yeah.
but stressed ka.
Stress ka.
Or you could be
Kaya ka nga
running...
nagraran dahil stress ka, eh, no?
Maaari.
Na naiinis ka sa partner mo, ganyan.
Oo,
no?
ganon,
Binubuhos mo sa paa
Oo.
mo. Kaya
And-
na, ginaganyan mo yung ganun.
But a lot of things is,
Diba?
di ba, nourishment. A lot of it is the food we eat.
Yeah.
So you are what you eat, sabi nga nila. And so, hindi naman natin sinasabi na, you have to eat organic, natural, ganyan, no canned goods. Well, that helps, of course. Pero like I said, kumakain ka nga ng lahat ng healthy, pero parati ka namang, you're negative.
Yeah.
It's holistic.
It's holistic.
Yeah.
And you don't really have to go to yoga or meditation, but for some people, that's their balance.
Yeah.
They have to do that because they eat well, pero hindi nila kaya yung stress sa work.
Yeah.
And then a lot of people say, oh, it's okay, I'll just take a pill.
Yeah.
But I've seen people who don't pop pills at an advanced age, diba? While there are some who are 20-year-old and they're taking pills for diabetes. Diba? So, it's actually a choice.
Hindi sila well, no?
Oo, pero mahirap naman sabihin sa kanilang they're not well. Because I think everyone is well. It depends how well you want to be.
Yeah, yeah.
Diba? So when you say, how are you? Well, I'm good. Kung good sa'yo is a little stress here and there.
So what are your tips? What are your tips?
One is
Dito
to
lang, yung
forgive.
business mo na wellness, how is it exactly? What is it exactly?
Well, I don't have a yoga studio, but
Uh-huh.
one of our partners in Echo Store has. It's called Echo Yoga. So we'll enter the name Echo para holistic rin kami. It's what you eat, it's what you do, yoga, meditation, what they call centering. I've attended yung Art of Living, which is another big international organization. They invited me to Bangalore, India. So meron silang ibang way of meditation naman. But again, parang church eh. As long as you have a supreme being, I don't care what church you go to.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang importante doon, you have that humility.
May
so,
takot ka sa Diyos.
may takot ka. You
Kung
have
may
a
takot
fear
ka,
of
hindi ka
something.
gagawang masama, di ba? And
Or
you treat
that-
other people like what you would like other people treat you, no?
Or that you're not God.
Yun nga.
We have to remind people, in this day and age, right? So it's what you eat, it's what you believe in, and then your habits, di ba? I mean, you eat well nga, pop ka ng vitamin pills, pero sinisigawan mo naman yung mga empleyado mo, parati kang galit, di ba?
Ay, ako yan na.
Ay, ganon? It will negate.
It will negate.
It will negate all the benefits you're getting from all these
Yeah.
supplements. And kaya nga supplement ang tawag sa kanya, di ba? Supplement
It's not
lang.
the main thing.
But ako, my tips are eat your colors. That's what I always say, no?
Sabi ni Dr. Galveston, no? The most colorful food are the best, no?
Yeah, so eat your
Green,
colors.
leafy, yellow vegetable.
I like
diba?
pinya. I like squash. Ganon.
Carrot.
So, ibang colors yun, di ba? Yellow, hindi lang green. So, it's not just wheatgrass.
Yes.
A little capsicum, yung red pepper, di ba? So, if you eat your colors, sabi nila, and then it's like nature, the way nature
It's
intended
supposed
it.
to be, yeah.
It's supposed, parang, you don't have to reinvent the wheel.
Yeah.
Nature made it for you. Bakit ba walang strawberry pag, let's say, pag summer? Or
Hindi
something.
malamig,
Kasi gusto niya siguro malamig. Huwag mo siya pilitin during summer or lasa siyang pipino. Diba? It's not a strawberry.
Yeah.
But now, with technology, people say, food security daw. But if you go by the season, di ba?
Adequate ang supply.
Bakit matamis? Kasi it's in season. It didn't take
Mangga,
any
no?
GMO or
Yeah.
some inoculation or something.
Spraying, no?
Even eggs. It's very simple. Like eggs from Happy Chickens.
Mas masarap daw yung egg na
It's-
organic.
It tastes better.
Happy chickens
And
versus
the
stressed
egg yolk
chickens.
looks better, I noticed.
The egg yolk is
Looks better,
yellower.
Oh, mas
Kaya ako alam
rounded.
ko oops, hindi yan ano.
Mas rounded, no?
It's yellower. It has no taste of, it has no fishy
Tsaka
taste.
bagay siya sa sunny side up. Diba?
Or
Yeah.
ako, I eat it soft boiled.
It
But
doesn't
how
have
do
that
you-
fishy
How
taste.
do you
That's right.
secure organic eggs? Di ba
Well, my
kukunin mo
neighbor-
lang yan sa chicken na gala?
Yes, my neighbor in Amadeo, si Agnes, she has roaming chickens. So kilala ko yung mga manok. I mean,
so
you
yan
know,
ang organic na.
traceability, sabi mo nga. So you know where it comes from. So I would bring like hotel people there, like look at the chickens kasi minsan sa hotel hindi naiintindihan ng cost control. Why they have to spend more for eggs? Why they have to spend more
Yeah.
for organic?
Kinukuha lang nila sa sukat eh.
Or sa presyo. Just like coffee.
Kasi parang assembly line yan, yung mga chicken.
Yes.
Mga assembly line. Oh.
If the chickens are not happy, they will lay
Assembly
eggs
line
that
sila
are
eh.
not happy also. So you will also not be happy.
Papainitan sila para maraming chicken,
Oh.
eggs, no? Di ba?
Or ang lalaki nila because they've grown to more than 1 kilo in
Injection
21
pa
days.
sila,
They can't carry themselves, so they fall.
Yeah.
Kawawa naman yung manok.
May arthritis
They're
kagad
sad.
sila. No?
Yeah.
So you must eat from if you must eat meat, make
From
sure
happy
the
cow.
a happy cow, yung
Kaya
grass
yung meat
fed.
ng
Paano
happy cow,
yung Wagyu?
Oh, happy cow yun. Oh, happy cow yun.
Oh, minamasahe pa yun.
Oh,
Pinapatugtugan pa
minamasahe.
ng classical music yun.
Minom pa ng
yeah.
beer yun.
So, you can eat it occasionally and make sure they're happy also. Kasi yung energy nila, well, I might sound like I'm nuts, pero I believe in that eh.
Yeah.
Like, have you ever eaten in a restaurant na parang walang gana yung chef?
Oo.
Di ba parang wala namang love tong food na to eh, di ba?
Yeah, that's what they
Pride
say. It
of
really
work, no?
is, yeah.
Parang, kasi
You have
it's
to
just,
put the heart and the love so it
There's some
comes
pride
out.
of
and you
work.
can
Yeah.
taste it.
Yeah, true.
Believe
so
it or
true.
not,
It's
you
true.
go to these restaurants na nandun yung chef, they attend to you, parang mas masarap.
Yeah.
Di ba?
So, habang may angal ka, lalabasan ka niya, no?
Oh.
Ano bang problema?
All
Kasi
right.
happy siya sa work niya, eh.
We're going to continue this discussion. We'll be right back. You're watching Viz News.
Punta na tayo.
So, yan, Chit. Rule of wellness, organic. Ganun ba yan?
Eat your colors.
Eat colors.
Eat your colors.
Especially now during Christmas season.
And be
no?
positive.
Be positive.
Oh, kasi
Happy ka.
pag galit ka sa isang tao, ikaw yung talo, hindi siya. You know, I learned that from Ambassador Albert.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, you have a problem with me? Sorry, I have no problem with you.
Talo ka na.
Ikaw yung talo, hindi siya, di ba? And she's a very happy lady.
Yes.
Di ba? The most diplomatic. So, ganon. And then, positivity eh. I mean, siguro my next
Delia
business...
Albert pala yung kala ko si Albert Del Rosario.
No,
Delia.
si Ambassador Delia
Delia
Domingo
Albert.
Albert. Because she's one of our women
Yeah.
leaders who takes us around the world, you know, on sa mga women conferences, ganon. And you know, have a, I guess, an advocacy or have a reason for
Some kind of
living,
mission, di ba?
not just money.
Yeah.
May
Diba?
mission ka.
May mission
That's not
ka.
self-fulfillment kasi, di ba?
Yes,
You need
because everyone can make money,
Yeah.
di ba? I think. But everyone can also lose it like in
Yeah, yeah.
5 minutes of Yolanda or,
Yeah.
you know?
Diba?
So, I think what remains with you is what's here. Or what's here. Kung wala dito, dapat meron dito naman. Or
Malak,
both.
oo.
Di ba? So, you know, maybe since New Year's coming, maybe, again, we say we resolve, no, to make all these new habits and all that. The easiest thing would be to eat well. The second is to be positive. Because I think positivity does a lot to your psyche. Diba? Then, people will say, hey, you look good. Diba? Yung parang yung aura mo,
Yeah.
nag-i-improve, ganon.
Usually, pag sinatanong, hey, you look good, magbabotox ka ba? Mga ganun.
Oo.
Parang kagad may,
Diba?
may ginawa kang...
I think the natural Botox is to be happy.
Yeah,
But you have to know what makes you happy.
yeah.
So, it's a time
Sa'yo,
to...
Jit, what makes you happy?
Ako,
Contentment.
ay, yung kasabi mo, it's cheesy. Ako, it makes me happy when other people are happy with what we do.
Yeah.
Di ba? Parang,
Tama.
when I hear customers saying, uy, ang galing nito, parang, and you don't know them, that's the happiest moment, di ba? Pag hindi na kapatid mo or pinsan mo yung pumupunta sa store mo, I think that's a sign of you're getting there, di ba?
Pag hindi yung party mo, yung political party mo.
Correct.
Pag yung choir mo,
Diba?
wala.
Or,
wala na
like
doon.
I say, when other people talk about you in a nice way, and you don't even know them, ayun, happy ka dun, di ba? Kasi at the end of the day, your personal brand is what people see you as. Eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? If, let's say, kung kape lang ako, I'll just have to talk about coffee. But coffee helps women.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coffee can contribute to wellness. So parang coffee might be the core, but around it,
So, coffee can be a sign of protest, no? Pag ayaw mo, buhusan mong kape. Diba? Galit ka eh.
pwede rin. Or bigyan mo ng kape na
Oo, tama.
di masarap.
Oo.
Di ba? Well, there are people like, gusto nila, it's about money. And people say, siguro, mayaman ka na. No. I mean, ang yaman naman, it's your
Yeah,
definition.
that's right.
Di ba? Some people, pinipilit mong mag-scale up. Ayaw naman pala yumaman. Happy na siya noon. They have a house, they have a white picket fence, sabi nga nila. Di ba? And they're happy. Whereas you have people who have loads of money,
Mansions, no?
pero, problema nila, I can't talk to my kids. Di ba? Or where do I send them? What do I do with my kids? Di ba?
Cannot even talk to your spouse, no?
Oh, ganun. Sabi ko, kaya mag-running ka na lang. Di ba? You're running away literally from
From the
your problems. Di ba? Or maybe the wife should also have an advocacy or a charity or keep her busy. Like kami ni Beth. Most of the women we know are so busy. In fact, some are housebands. Eh. You know? Some choose, of course, not Beth and me. We
Di
have
kayo
more
wives, eh,
time. We have more time to spend on advocacies like women in coffee, women corporate directors, women
Entrepreneurs,
directors.
yeah.
By the way, since magpapasko
Ilan ba
na.
kayong women directors? Konti lang kayo, no?
In the women corporate directors, we started with 21, 22,
Yeah.
but growing.
Yeah.
And in the Women's Business Council, we're all of 40,
Yeah.
I guess. In the Women's Coffee Alliance, we're approaching 40. Kasi, you have to be the mouthpiece for women in business.
Yeah.
Yung women in boards naman, I'm doing all the talking, ha. Nahiya naman ako sa inyo. There are statistics that will show if you have more women on boards like MAP, mas profitable yung company.
Ganun.
They say. It's the diversity of thinking daw. Yung, sabi lang, bakit? O dilalagay ko yung asawa ko, yung daughter ko, mga ganyan ang mga
Yeah.
sagot, no? But I think it's the way women's brains are wired and the way men's brains are wired. Magkaiba, like for example, coffee. In coffee, the men can harvest, but the women will sort. Will sort the big beans from the small
Mas
beans.
magaling sila doon.
Mas may pasensya yung babae. Okay? So in Africa, where I'm going, dadali ng lalaki yung coffee, honey, ako na, mabigat eh, pero siya kukolekta ng pera. That's why, here in the Philippines, it's not that way. Medyo magaling yung mga women in coffee dito. Tulong ka sa pag-harvest, I'll sort, I'll sell. So the women get to keep
Get
the
the
money.
money.
Because they say that women, when they hold the money, bring 70% of the income to the house.
Ganun.
Men
Malaki yung take-home pay,
bring 40%.
Saan napunta yung 30
The rest is
difference?
spent.
You tell me.
Good time.
Siguro, good time muna,
Kupit,
ganyan.
yan.
But worldwide, women bring home 70%. Ang first priority nila is to feed the children, education, yun, no?
Savings, no?
Savings, ganun. So, that's why we're espousing na women in coffee in the Philippines become recognized. And then yung
Pansin ko
women...
lang, Chit, why do you have to prefix everything with women? Like women in coffee. Why not people in coffee? Ganun.
Well, there are people in coffee na eh.
Meron.
Marami ng organizations that are... Because coffee is a traditionally male-dominated
Male-dominated.
industry. Kasi nga, usapan sa coffee exchanges in New York and London,
coffee.
puro lalaki yung nagtatrade eh. What happens to the women who pick the coffee? Diba, naiwanan sila. So, there now is a global initiative to buy coffee from women farmers.
What is that
They are better
that
managed.
organization that actually
It's
concerns?
IWCA, or International Women's Coffee Alliance, is affiliated with the International Trade Center in Geneva to join this program of sourcing from women vendors. So, I think it's important lang for government to understand it. Kasi even government procurement
Yeah.
you can buy some
Yeah.
from women, di ba? Para naman merong, ano ba tawag dun? May konting...
Because right now it's still an
like in-
imbalance still.
Like, yes,
Yes.
oo.
There's still an
Chit,
imbalance.
sa business, mas maganda kausap ang women.
Before you answer that, we're going to cut this short break. You're watching Business. We'll be right back.
You can ask yourself.
So what are these organizations that actually support sourcing from women?
It's an international organization called We Connect.
Yes.
We Connect International, the members are Fortune 100 companies.
Okay.
Marriott, Pfizer, Accenture, Walmart.com, mga ganon. So,
What do they connect to or with?
they connected to women vendors in
women.
construction, coffee, textile,
Yeah.
ganon. So, these companies devote at least 5% of their spend for women vendors. So, even a small vendor like myself can sell to Accenture. I can sell to Walmart, ganon.
In the Philippines, huh? From
Accenture in the
source into
Philippines is asked by Accenture Global to look me up and buy coffee from me. Parang ganon. So, maganda siya.
Kasi dati ang priority, PWD, no? Kailangan meron kang employee na 1 or 2 disabled. No?
Oo. So, ngayon, even
May
women
Yeah.
have this stage.
Even in government, there is a in government, right?
Thanks for
gender-
mentioning that. The Gender and Development Budget,
Yes.
which is GAD. All government agencies have that 5%. But what do they use
By
it
law
for?
ba yan?
By law.
By law.
It's a law. I forget what RA it is, but it is a law that 5% of your budget goes to gender and development. So you can send people on women conferences, you can buy from women vendors, you can, and now pa, I mean, we have all these women in the Ombudsman,
All
COA,
held by women, actually.
Supreme Court.
The three furies, no?
Yeah.
Oh, the justice system.
DOJ,
The
yeah.
Chief Justice, the Ombudsman, and the
DOJ.
DOJ.
Oh. And then, of course, the
Pag
other...
hinarap ka niyan, ubos ka siguro, no?
But also for investment, PEZA.
Yes,
Yes,
that's
ah.
right.
Headed by a
Yeah,
woman. So,
Delia.
you were saying, Tony, na mahirap kausap ang babae, but I think, Laila de Lima and Lilia de Lima are two de Limas that are, quite easy to talk to. Beth and me. Di ba?
Kaya napansin ko, you have to rationalize or explain when you want a business deal with a woman. Unlike kung lalaki, pare, backstab.
Golf na lang tayo. Ganyan.
Backstab would do it, di ba?
Oo.
Golf. Sa inyo, kailangan project costing, You have to explain where the money is going, why, gano'n.
Well, since everyone is looking at governance, di ba? If you have a woman on board, I think you've already done your compliance, even without getting an audit firm to do your...
Baldayo, the chairman of the audit is also a woman nga,
See
That's
that? Oh. And then a
They're
lot
running
of
this government, no?
a lot of women leaders are also in IT, like Convergys and all. And a lot of women
Sheryl
leaders.
Sandberg, no?
And then, parang Sheryl Sandberg,
Yeah.
parang si Yahoo, di ba? But also on the soft side, like Avon, mga ganon. Parang kami ni Beth.
Meron pang isang big US company, ka-appoint lang niya as CEO, yung babae. Then she went on leave for maternity. Diba?
Wasn't that Yahoo?
Siya din yan, no?
Marisa Mayer? Yun, mga ganon. So I think, and men now are so used to having women on boards Di ba? Well, at
Pero
least...
nakakatakot sila, no? They ask a lot of questions, they nag you. Kulit. Kulit,
But I guess that's why companies become profitable because you need the kulit factor.
Kasi hindi mo sila matingnan, para bang titignan mo ngayon, makuha ka sa tingin. Hindi eh. Kulit eh. No?
But there's a program that by 2020, there will be 20% of boards that are going to be women.
Dapat, no?
Parang ganon. There's this program called Women 2020. It's global also. So kami ni Beth, you might see us in a board in Australia or
Ganun. Okay,
New Zealand, ganyan. Kasi ASPAC din, Asia Pacific.
Yeah.
And with the ASEAN coming in.
Yes, yes. The ASEAN integration
boards,
also.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's very important
Yes.
because the networks that we form.
But are there, sorry for asking, are there enough women that can qualify as directors of corporations?
Well, first of all, we have to find them.
Yeah.
Two is just like the Institute of Corporate Directors, we have to train.
Yeah,
We have to train them. But we have a lot, like Myla Villanueva sits in a Saudi government
Saudi.
telco board
But she has her own corporations, no? In
as the
IT.
lone woman. No, but she's not there for her
A lone
corporation.
woman, ha?
She's there for herself.
Yeah.
So I think Beth and I might get invited to Singapore to sit in a wellness company.
Why
Who knows?
not? That would
Why
be good.
not?
Ayun ba ang trend ngayon? Foreign companies
Yes.
employing women from abroad?
Yes, in fact, the womencorporatedirectors.com, the Women Corporate Directors International,
Yeah.
exactly asked us to form a Philippine chapter so that they can find people for Asia Pacific companies. Because with the ASEAN integration, then the ASEAN plus 2, plus 3, plus
Yes.
5, you need people who understand the culture.
Yeah.
So you cannot just get somebody
That's
from...
right. Yeah.
So, may market kami ni Beth. So
Yeah.
we'll be busy next year,
Kawawa,
Tony.
balik kawawa palang men, no? Kawawa palang men.
Ang dami nyo na kasi.
Kawawa na sa bahay, kawawa pa sa corporation.
Well, that's why you have to learn
But we have to
other...
seek a balance kasi.
Yes.
It's really...
Kasi in most households, the men have the last say. Di ba? And it's yes, my dear.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's the parang commanding, listen to the commanding. Something like that.
The
But I
women-
think it's a great time for women
Yeah, great time.
and women leaders,
Yeah.
and especially in the Philippines where we can get help
Yeah.
to take care of the children,
Yeah,
ganon,
yeah.
no? And then you have women who...
Tapos, Chito, halimbawa, if I were a young woman aspiring to be these things, anong mga tips mo? Ganyan.
Well, one is you
Educate
learn every
yourself.
day.
You educate yourself.
You educate yourself. Like, I didn't go to business school.
You
But-
didn't, ha?
I didn't go to business school.
But you
because
have very sharp business
Business
sense, ha?
acumen.
you have to read a lot.
Yeah,
You have to network.
yeah, yeah.
Okay? Kasi sa amin, meron rin naman, tawagan mo si Beth.
Oh,
May kang sponsorship, gano'n, di ba?
Oh,
you can, and you have to network. Increase your network. At the end of the day, your net worth
yeah,
as a person is your network.
yeah.
Di ba? Like sabi mo, may backslapping. So women, meron namang, let's
Yeah,
go to the
ganyan.
parlor. Pero, iba pag-uusapan nyo. Maybe it's not
Mm.
in a golf game.
Yeah.
Maybe it's over lunch. No? Pero meron rin ganun. May networks din.
Network. Pero paano how do you jumpstart into a network, no?
Well, there are organizations like
It's now
the
BP,
Business and
yeah.
Professional Women.
BPW.
Business profession. So you don't have to be a CEO or COO.
Yeah.
Kung CEO or COO ka or head of your company, then you will be invited to the Women's Business Council
Yeah,
of the Philippines. If you're in coffee,
Yeah.
there's an International Women's Coffee Alliance. Ganon. So you have to join a group, not because of what you'll get from it,
Yeah.
but just being there already enriches you. Then you study. There's a UP Open University. You take courses in corporate
May
directorship.
open course na ang UP, ha?
There's Open University in UP. And you can take the corporate directorship course, which I took 2006 pa. Institute of Corporate Directors, and then you become a fellow. Well, I don't know why it's called fellow. Dapat fella. And they ask us to append the word fellow after our name.
Ganun.
Pero ako naiya ako eh. Okay lang, gano'n.
Yeah.
And then you get into the roster of qualified independent directors.
Yeah. All right, we're going to cut to a short break. You're watching Business. We'll be right back.
More tips afterwards. Chit, you have been discussing about success in business. But success in family or life basically, ano mga major
Well, one
pieces
is,
of wisdom?
I think your family has to support what you're doing.
Your family has to be supportive.
I think whether you're single, married,
Yeah.
divorced, or
Yeah.
separated,
Yeah.
you still have an immediate family.
Yeah.
They should be your first rara boys and girls,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Because that's important for, di ba, integral well-being. Eh kung every time you come home, parang tinatago mo yung business idea mo, it's not gonna work, di ba? So I think family and friend support
Yeah.
is very good.
Yeah.
Second, you network.
Yeah.
Third is you never stop learning.
Yeah.
Diba? When you say you know everything, that's the end, no? So you read and then you find out, like, basa ka ng Biz News Asia.
Thank you.
Diba? Alam mo kung kailan pinanganak si ganyan, na, ay, ka-age ko lang pala to, gano'n. No?
Kung kaya niya,
Pero yung
kaya ko
girls,
rin.
hindi nilalagay yung age. Okay, she went to the same school, di ba? So, kasi ako, I always make it a point to read news, whether on the internet, to listen to news at night. Kasi I'm an early morning person, eh. So minsan di ko naabutin yung news sa umaga. Watch a little CNN or some international network, if you're like BBC, Al Jazeera, but something international, because the world is not the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? So, kailangan medyo rin conversant ka na sino ba si Myanmar President,
Yeah.
ganyan. Eh, pag nag-uusapan kasi, hindi ka
Maligaw ka, no?
Maligaw ka, parang, is Ho Chi Minh alive or dead? Parang, nakakaya naman, di ba? So, read up. And then, okay, one tip is, and I will reveal this, if I'm to meet you, but I know the two of you, if I'm to meet you, I Google you the night before. So at least meron ka ng, oh,
Background.
Tony, so your latest issue is
Yeah.
December 13, where you, the real estate, di ba?
Yeah.
So parang, si Tony naman. And I think that's something, a conversation starter.
Yeah.
Di ba? Because it's not about you. It's about them. Di ba? If I happen to meet Mr. Ramon Ang, what's the first thing I'll tell him? Sir, ang sarap na ng kape sa Mabuhay Lounge. Di ba?
Okay,
So parang, you have something to tell the guy or the woman, di ba? So I think doing your homework is key. And we always do our homework.
Yeah.
Di ba? Alam ko kasi
We
si
try
Beth,
to.
nag-homework yan eh.
We try to.
But what has been the most successful enterprise that you have started up?
The most successful, I think...
Coffee, no?
Well, coffee, yes. My venture into coffee, yes.
Yes.
But I think coffee was
It
just
was quite pioneering, ha?
was just the doorway to a
Kasi
bigger
kinakabahan
world.
ako sa iyo na nagbukas ka sa China.
Oh,
And I
yeah.
saw the branch in Shanghai. It's right across the high-end apartment. No?
Yeah.
Oo.
But you know, that's not
Now
But that's the doorway for something
a
that's
doorway.
actually
the
bigger.
company
It's
you
like-
built will have 10 branches overseas, no?
well because you've already made
Yeah.
history. The hardest thing to make is history.
Yeah,
diba?
history,
It's hard to age a company.
Yeah.
So when you say, hey, Echo Store is now 5 years old, uy, talaga? Parang kahapon lang, di ba? But you need that because sustainability is the key to
But where do
everything.
you get the energy, the unflagging spirit to keep on going?
Should I answer coffee?
What about cash, no? How do you raise cash? No?
How do you raise cash? Okay, because I raise cash for advocacies
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
I think it's trustworthiness.
Yeah.
If people know you, that they
Yeah.
can trust you,
Yeah.
the money will come.
Yeah.
Di ba? Sabi nga nila, build it and they will come. No?
ganun.
Yeah.
So, pag alam nila na, who's behind that? Si Beth, okay yan. You know?
So sometimes you call up a bank, classified ka kagad na SME. Naku, SME risky, 18%. Sabihin nila, di ba, 1.3, 1.5, plus documentation fee, 0.5%, plus notarial fee, 2%. So, hangal ka. Ngayon kung you're just starting up, wala kang chance umangal. Ngayon kung aangal ka, sabihin, ay, we can amend. Ganun pala yun.
Yes. And it's also, if you show the bank,
Yeah.
I will not send a staff to the bank. I will talk to the bank
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing like your own explanation,
Yeah.
your own... Nakikita naman ng bangko yan,
Yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure Tessie Coson
Yeah.
probably said, sige, pautangin nyo yan. You know?
Because they're banking on you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Pardon the pun. Pero, They're banking on you. Who's behind it?
Right.
Diba?
Tsaka the banks as a rule, know your clients nga. Di ba?
Exactly. Diba? So, those are the things you can't delegate.
Yeah, yeah.
You were asking for tips. Ako, well, I guess because I like to talk to people, hindi ko din delegate yun. That's something you can't delegate.
Yeah.
Diba? And then they see me sometimes, oh, why are you doing the micromanagement? How will you know your customers if hindi mo pinupulsohan yung store mo or, you have to be down
Lalo
there.
na pag retail, ano? Oo, ang
Retail.
masikaso ng oras niyan.
Yeah.
Like me, I visit the outlets of my magazine. I
Yeah.
count the magazines sold, the magazines unsold.
But that's why you're successful.
Tapos may chika-chika
Because you
with
actually, it's not
the
because I'm
naman.
successful, I'm here and I don't go.
Yeah.
You know what they used to do in Shanghai? When they deliver our paper, they take a picture. And then that's what they report to their
Ganun.
head office.
That's the-
And then the camera has a date.
Oo.
And now you can take pictures. I
On
will
the
not name
spot,
the brand. And
Instagram.
on the spot, Wi-Fi
Oh,
it.
tama,
Diba?
Instagram.
So you can use technology.
Yeah, technology.
And I think social media
It's
is
also a good way to
important.
find out prices from your competitors, no? Technology.
Yes, through
The farmer
technology.
in the field, monitor lang niya yung Bloomberg.
In fact, now they have mobile agriculture.
Yeah.
So they can text what the price is.
Well,
So it's a good time.
Merry Christmas
And very
Happy
empowering.
New Year.
Merry
Congratulations.
Christmas to
Yeah.
both of you. Thank you to Biz News again for
And
having
Merry Christmas
Remember
to all
when
our
eating,
viewers.
remember Christmas, the colors of food. Diba?
Yes. Remember what you're eating.
Yeah.
All right, we've watched another episode of Biz News. I'm Elizabeth Lee, together with Tony Lopez. Merry Christmas,
Christmas.
and advance Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next week. Have a good night. God bless.